Must have been an accident or something up there. Well, this was a shit detour. There they are. What's up, everyone, and welcome back to the channel, the Moto Soul. It's another blazing Texas evening, and we're headed out to a bike meet at the Shop Club. This is their Thursday night throttle bike meet, and we're gonna meet up with some of our buddies. Brandon Ninebanger, Gears of Grace, that's Mike, and Dallas Hyper, one of the other dudes that we had met up with at the Ascension Coffee last Sunday. So should be a good time. I think Burton Hughes is also coming out. Be interested to see what bike he brings. Must have been an accident or something up there. That's DTX for you. Well, this was a shit detour. In my opinion, this is probably the most dangerous road in Dallas. They do a terrible job of maintaining the surface conditions too. Here's the beautiful city of Dallas. Gotta love it. So this down here is where you always see people doing those high-speed runs. Well, we might have taken the longest route possible, but we made it. There they are. So we're out here at Shop Clubs Dallas with my boy Brandon and Max on the 2 hypers, and then I'm down there on the MV Agusta. We'll give you some run-throughs of the bikes real quick. All right, we're gonna go ahead and sign off on this one. It was a successful event. If you guys enjoyed the video, hit the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, ring the notification bell for future videos. We'll catch you on the next one. Peace.